Hello, do you have a messy folder with all your files scattered everywhere? Want to organize them automatically in just 1 second? Watch this. Here I am going to organize my downloads folder. You can see many random files are there: image files, PDFs, documents, PPTs, etc. Manually sorting files takes time and effort as I have more than 500 files here. Let's automate this with Python. First you have to import these libraries, os and shutil. Here you have to change the folder according to your requirement. I am going to arrange my downloads folder. So here it is the downloads folder. If you want to arrange your documents folder, it must be documents. Next, define file categories. Here these are the different folders I am going to create. And in images file, all the jpeg, png, all these images will go to images file. Here all the PDF, docx, text file, xlsx, xlsm, all these type of files will go to documents folder. And all the video files, MP4, MOV, AVI, all this will go to videos. Here MP3 and WAV will go to music. So likewise you can arrange this. You can customize it by adding more item in this dictionary. Here you can have the folder name, then column. You have to pass the extension as a list. Here using these codes, I am creating the folders and moving the files. I have used many functions from shutil, that is copy, move, function, etc. to do these operations. Now you run this program and see the files getting sorted instantly. Let's try that. Now you can see in my downloads folder, all these folders are created, that is images folder, documents, videos, music. And when I open each folder, you can see the pictures. You can see the files belong to that folder, because in our program for image it is jpeg, png, all this will go to images folder. So when you open images folder, you can see all these files. And that's it. In just 1 second, all files are neatly organized. Subscribe for more automation tips. Comment below if you need help or want more Python tricks. If you want this Python file, check in the description. Thank you.